Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to Dr. Azman. I am Muhammad IZZAYAD bin AZIZAN and I will introduce our team members. The first one is Muhammad Syazwan bin SANAIDI. Second, Muhammad IZZAYAD bin AZIZAN. It's myself. The third one is Muhammad SHAHMI HAFIZIN bin HISHAM. And the fourth one is Muhammad NAJMI bin AZMAN. The system that we are created is train ticketing system that allow users to book a train ticket to go one destination into one destination. Okay, our system allows user to register, and then after the registration is complete, it will allow user to go into login. And after the login is successful, it will go to the home page that the user can select whether to book a train ticket, or view their booked train ticket that the user have made, or either they can log out to the system. That's all.
Hello and hi. My name is Muhammad Syahmi HAFIZIN and I will tell you about what motivates us to do the system. Okay, from our experience using booking train ticketing app, we feel unsatisfied with the flow of the booking because users have to go to main interface just for book a ticket. So from there, it motivates us to make our own system for booking a train ticket. And now we introduce you Iron Train booking ticket. Alright, now I will explain to you about our UML diagram. So first, we have train ticketing system. Train ticketing system is the main class, and the responsibility is act as the main entry point of the application. It contains a main string ARGS method to start the program, and it will interact with the mainframe here. So the mainframe, the responsibilities for mainframe is serve as the central GUI frame where different functionalities are accessible. And next we have a regular user. Regular user represent a user with access to a train booking functionality, and it will interact with the user action here. For user here, the responsibility is to represent the user entity in the system, and it contains user details attributes such as name, email, password, confirm password, and phone number. And then we have booking. Booking is represent a booking entity with attribute train name, destination departure, time, price, and booking date. And then we have user action here. User action defines abstract method that regular user implements, such as make booking, view booking, and delete booking. Next, we have login page here. Login page handles the logging process for users, and it have attributes such as username, password, login, register, and exit. And then we have register page. Register page are different from login page because it handles user registration. The responsibilities is for is for registration, and the attribute is text name, text password, text email, text phone number, button login, button register, and button exit. And then we have my booking page here in the middle. The responsibility is to manage the display and management of user bookings. It has methods such as display booking, delete booking, just these two, display and delete booking. And last but not least, we have database handler. The responsibilities for database handler is to manage database operation such as connection and queries. The methods it have get connection here, and then is valid login here, save booking, fetch all booking, delete booking, and register user. That's all from me. Thank you. We'll pass to the next presenter.
Now I am Muhammad Syazwan bin SANAIDI. I will explain about table and attributes in our database. Okay, for the first thing, for our table, we do a train ticketing booking system. So for the first table, we have booking. So inside the booking table, the attributes that we have here is first is booking ID as a primary key, and second is booking date, customer ID, train name, takeoff arrival time, destination departure, and price. And that's all for the table booking. Next, we will go to the next table, which is customer table. So this is where all the customer attributes will be here. So first attribute is customer ID. Customer ID is as a primary key. Second is name. Third, email. Fourth, number phone. And fifth is password.
For the explained attributes and method that we have declared in our system is, for example, we have on the register class, we have JLabel, JButton attributes, and the example of the method is exit button and login button on this. For the login class, we have JLabel and JButton attributes, and for the method, we use register button at action listener and exit button for the method. And for the booking train class, we have JTable, JPanel, and JLabel attribute. And for the method, we use and where is it? Submit button method. For the mainframe class, we have JMenu item for the attribute, and the method we have my booking menu item, this one, and logout menu item. And for the last class in our system, my booking class, we have JPanel and JButton attribute, and for the method, we have cancel button and back button method. That's all for the attribute and method that we have declared in our class of this system. Thank you.
Okay. Now I will explain. Now I will explain what 3OOP concept have we implemented in our project. And for the first concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the bundling of data and methods that operate on that data within a class and restricting direct access to some components. For example, in the login.java, in our login class, the login class encapsulates the logic for user authentication and UI elements for the login process. All relevant data, which is username, for example, our username, password, and method evaluation are grouped together in this class. And fields such as login customer ID, this login customer ID, and the username password input are encapsulated within the class structure, providing control access. For example, like this login class, login customer ID, when we already log in, when customer log in into the system, it will store the customer ID for the purpose for booking purposes. And next is inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to acquire properties and methods from another class. In this code, the login class inheritance from the JFrame. Class indirectly, though its use, does not explicitly declare the JFrame methods and behavior. For example, this frame set default close operation JFrame are utilized in the login class. And for the third is polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects to take on multiple forms, enabling the same interface or method to behave differently depending on the context. Okay. In this code, polymorphism is used in the action listener. Interface. Different action event handles login button, register button, and exit button implement their own behavior in the action perform method. The action perform method is overridden in each case to provide specific behavior to each button. So in this code, we will see this is the method for the login button. Login button at action listener, new listener. And next is a register button. So when customer click the register button, it will from the login Java, it will go directly to the register Java. Is register menu string. And for the last is exit button. So when customer click the exit button, it will go directly exit from the system. That's all for the OP concept.
Okay, for the implementation of array list or vector and exception handling, for the array, we use this command, which is if the login is successful, it will show successful information log. It will show login successful. Okay. Okay. Okay, for the implementation of array and exception handling, for the array we use this command. If for example is if the login is successful, it will show login successful, and if the login is unsuccessful or there is problem with the credential login, it will show invalid password or username, and it will show error. Next, for the exception handling, we use this command to show an exception handling, which is we try to connect the system with the database, which is this is the database. And if the database have an error or failed to connect with the database, it will show this message that shows the database connection has an error and show the error message. That is our exception handling and array list for this system.
Okay, now for the last presentation, I will demo our system and show example of our exception handling. Okay, first, run this program. First, customer will put their username. If the customer is already registered, they can put their username. For example, in and the password. If the system show this message, it means that login is successful. Okay. Now I will show you the exception handling. So for the error handling, assume that a customer try to log in the data that is not in the database. For example, Ahmad, 1, 2, 3, 4. If their data is not in database, it will show the error, which is a message invalid username or password. That's for login. Now I will show you if the customer want to register to the system. We click the register button, then it will go straight to the register button. Now customer will put all the data that will be need for the system. For the first is name. Take an example. Then email. Phone number. And the password. Now for the confirm password, if customers for the error handling, if the customer confirm the password wrong, it will say password do not match for the error handling in the register. Now put it the right password. If success, it will show message registration successful. Then if you click OK, it will go straight to the login to re-enter the customer account again. So we use Jai. Login successful. Now we are at the main page of the system. So what is in the main page of the system? We have a welcoming title, welcome to the authenticated system, and the background image. Now if we click home, it will have a button logout, and if click logout, it will immediately log out from the system. And it will give you an option. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes or no. So if you click no, it will stay in the system. And if you click yes, it will immediately exit the system from the system. Okay, now try again. Now for customer booking. If customer want booking a ticket, just click at the booking, and then they have two options. There are two menu item here. So have booking train. First we have booking train and my booking. When we click booking train, it will go to the image where all the available ticket that system have. For the attribute in the booking train, we have the train name, destination and departure, time for the train takeoff and arrival, and the price of the ticket. And at the top of the schedule, we can select date for we booking train. Now take an example. I want to book at 27 first 2026. So if you want to change the year, just double click at the year, then it will change the year. If you want to change the month, just double click on the month and it will change the month. And same for the day, double click for the day and it will change the day. So here I will try to book at 27 first, 2025. Then if you want to choose the book the train ticket, just click the where what the attributes that you want. For example, I want to book this ticket, which is have train name IZZAN Express, destination Perak to Selangor, and time takeoff 4 p.m. until 7 p.m. and the price is 60 ringgit. So if you want to book the ticket, you just click the book button, and then it will show the booking confirmation and the booking summary of the ticket. As you can see here, it have the train name, the destination and departure, time, price, and the booking date, and the payment method. So in this system, we are only use payment method as cash, which is when customer only can book ticket from here, and if the customer want to pay, it needs to go to the station, directly to the station, and pay for the ticket to get the receipt of the ticket. Now we will click OK. So and now how we want to know that we already booked the ticket. So we just click the back button. Go to the booking and then choose my booking. And right here, as you can see, for my booking page, the attribute we have is booking ID, the train name, the destination, booking date, time takeoff, and the price. So this is for example, we log in as Jai. So Jai is already booked for the Train Express. The destination and departure is Perak to Selangor, and this is the date, the time, and the price. So now, take an example. Jai want to cancel the booking because he has some important problem at that day. So he just need to click the cancel booking. But first, you need to click the booking and then cancel it. So it will give you an, as usual, it will give you an option, which is yes or no. If you enter no, it will not cancel it. So again, if you want to cancel this booking, just click yes. And now booking cancelled successfully. Now, as you can see here, the booking train is already gone. Now, okay, that's it for me for the system demo. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.